Welcome back to Motor Vision, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, in-depth analysis, and everything you need to know about the automotive world. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Renault Captur, a stylish and innovative compact SUV that's set to redefine the segment. So, let's jump right in. The Renault Captur has been a popular choice among urban drivers since its launch, offering a perfect balance of style, comfort, and practicality. The 2025 model takes things up a notch with a fresh design, cutting-edge technology, and enhanced performance. Renault has gone for a more modern and aggressive look, with a redesigned front grille, sharper LED headlights, and sleeker body lines that give it a sportier stance. The updated alloy wheels and aerodynamic tweaks not only improve aesthetics but also contribute to better fuel efficiency. Step inside, and you're greeted by a completely revamped cabin. The 2025 Captur boasts a premium interior with high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and a more intuitive layout. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a larger, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system with the latest Renault Easy Link interface. It offers seamless smartphone integration with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with enhanced voice controls and a customizable digital instrument cluster. The new ambient lighting options further enhance the cabin's modern feel, creating a more immersive driving experience. Under the hood, Renault is offering a range of efficient powertrains to suit different driving needs. The lineup includes an improved 1.3-liter turbocharged petrol engine, a mild hybrid option for better fuel economy, and a plug-in hybrid variant that offers extended electric-only driving. Renault has fine-tuned the Captur's suspension and steering for a smoother and more engaging drive, making it ideal for both city commutes and long highway trips. The new regenerative braking system in the hybrid models further enhances efficiency and sustainability. Safety has always been a priority for Renault, and the 2025 Captur comes packed with advanced driver assistance features. The latest model includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system to make parking and maneuvering easier. Renault's ProPilot system also makes an appearance, offering semi-autonomous driving capabilities for added convenience and safety on long journeys. Practicality remains one of the Captur's strong suits, with a spacious cabin that comfortably accommodates 5 passengers. The sliding rear seats allow for flexible cargo space, making it easy to switch between passenger comfort and extra storage when needed. The boot space is among the best in its class, ensuring you have plenty of room for luggage, groceries, or adventure gear. With a bold new design, improved technology, efficient powertrains, and a strong focus on safety, the 2025 Renault Captur is set to be one of the most compelling compact SUVs on the market. Whether you're looking for a stylish urban crossover or a fuel-efficient hybrid, the new Captur has something for everyone. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Renault Captur. Would you consider buying one? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Vision for more exciting car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.